Hey guys, I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy J6 versus a Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. And this phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor with a 3GB RAM, while the J6 comes with a Exynos 7870 processor with a 3GB RAM. And let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and show you what is the difference between a Y7 Prime 2019 versus a Samsung Galaxy J6. Here we go. And this video is also sponsored by Apple Mobile Shop. They have this message: this shop will be very good to buy new and used phones as well. Let's see who is faster there. And Samsung Galaxy J6 is faster there, and Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind. So everything is closed up in the background, and 3GB RAM on both phones. And first application is the phone dialer, and faster on the J6, just a tiny bit faster there, and Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind, launching the settings, and again faster on the J6. Let's launching the My Clock application, and that was about the same on both phones. So let's launching the My Files application on both phones, and again faster on the J6. So let's launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush. And Y7 Prime 2019 comes with a water droplet notch, which you don't see on a J6. And just a tiny bit faster on the J6, and Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind. So next game application is the Subway Surfer. Let's launching again. Show me a game tools thing. And Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is faster there, and J6 is right behind. So let's launching the last game application is the Temper Run 2. After I am show you the RAM measurement. And Samsung Galaxy J6 is faster there, and Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind. So let's opening up the application that is called as the camera, and faster on the J6, and Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind. So let's launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome versus the Google Chrome, and show you guys what is the speed. And I have launched the internet browser on both phones, and first website is the facebook.com. And faster on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, and J6 is right behind. So next up is the wikipedia.org. And faster on the J6, and Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement, and 3GB RAM on the Y7 and 3GB RAM with the J6. Phone dialer not refresh on both phones, and again that got refresh on the J6, and again same result, and again My Files application is refresh. I think Samsung will improve the apps optimization in the future with some security updates. Temper Run 2, and not a single application is still in the memory. That's a very bad thing. Last is the internet browser, again refresh, and overall I have to say that the apps opening speed, it is faster on the Samsung Galaxy J6, and Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind to the J6. and single game faster on the Y7 Prime, and RAM measurement is very bad on the J6, but the Y7 Prime 2019 is very good. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy J6 versus a Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.